Morning, guys. All of the information I normally say is right here. This is the key one. 22 degrees outside right now. This is either going to be eventful or uneventful. So it looks like the inside of the shelter is 24 degrees right now. Let's see if our water line's froze. Oh, yep. Can't even turn the handle on. So, let's test out my fix. We'll just turn the thermostat override on. That way it will force the eberspacher to stay on. So it's exactly 5:30 right now. I will come back and update you on how long it takes for this to thaw out. It may not thaw out at all. Maybe my fix was no good, but we're going to find out. All right, half an hour. The shelter is warmed up to 32 degrees. Let's see if we got any movement here. Nothing yet. Guess we'll come back in another half hour. Just a note, in reality, if we're out and about, the shelter would never get this cold because we would have the eberspacher on all night. So this is the ultimate test of thawing out the water lines and getting the water to run. So just something to keep in mind. I don't have the mini split on either, so it's all up to the eberspacher to get this situation resolved. All right, we're at 6:30, 45 degrees in the shelter. Warm air coming out. Let's see if we got any action here. Oh, I can just barely turn the handle. Got a little bit of it. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? We gonna make it? Got a trickle. That's a good sign. I'm gonna give it another 15 minutes and we'll come back. 6:49. 49 degrees. See if we made any progress here. Oh, we got a little trickle. Not a full stream yet, but we got a trickle. Guess we'll wait another half hour and see if it does any good. Yeah, temperature dropped a degree outside, so it's 21 degrees outside now. 7:23, 57 degrees inside the shelter. No dice yet. I guess we'll wait a little bit longer. Alright guys, I made one more modification, and this is total redneck engineering. Check this out. So this tube is an exhaust tube that was hooked up to the exhaust, and it went to the air cleaners, so it brought the warm exhaust air would create a vacuum Anyways, this hose is, I looked this up, and this hose is rated to 900 degrees, and it's freaking hot. But I took the exhaust off, and I welded the downpipe on at a little bit of a different angle. And so now I've got the hot air pumping into this area where everything freezes. And I suppose the air coming out is probably like 100 degrees. But it goes into this area here, which is the main area where all the water lines and everything are. So the eberspacher is doing the defrost and everything. And in the summer, all I have to do is just push this off of the exhaust. Right now it's just held in by tension with the hose clamps, but this is total redneck. But it'll work. And it keeps the pump warm. So there we go. Got water out here. It took me a little while to do that. It's about 9:24. It's still about 27, 26 degrees outside. But boom, there we go. We got water. And yeah, the water coming out is hot. So the eberspacher's working, the heat exchanger's working, everything's working the way it should. But I was able to utilize the heat source of the eberspacher to defrost the entire underside of the truck. Even if the water tanks freeze up, all I got to do is turn the eberspacher on, and that exhaust line that I routed will heat that whole underbelly of the truck in that area, because it's kind of like a pocket. So that whole pocket of the truck will stay warm and alleviate all of the water lines freezing and everything. So double whammy on that. I know this is kind of a strange but short video, but if you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, take care, guys. I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.